Here's Mr. Nez from World Famous Foods. Today, let's do some pasta and sausage. All right, get our onions. Fry these for a couple of minutes. Okay, now we're gonna add our mushrooms. Now we're going to add our sausage. Already has a really good aroma. Okay, now we're going to add our chopped garlic. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe and that bell so you get all our notifications. You get to know when we drop another video. Okay, now we're going to add some tomatoes. Put them right in there. Now we're going to add our pasta. Along with some water. Now to this we're going to add some better than bouillon. Let that come to a boil. Alright, so here we are, boiling away. We're going to cover this and turn our heat down. Let us cook for about 10 minutes. Okay. Ooh, yeah. Let's add some Italian seasoning. Some black pepper. Oh yeah, smelling so good, smelling so good. Oh my goodness. What a sight, what a smell, what an aroma. Okay, here we have it folks, our world famous pasta with sausage. Look at that. Enjoy.